Hello guys and welcome
to my Minecraft tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to build an ender portal. First you got
no. Welcome to
the ender eyes of
Welcome to the vlog of Yunicon. And yeah, we are here now in Wien Praterstern on the way to the convention. Okay, let's go. Who is this?
Some quality meme.
Ma'am, do I know you? Oh, we're here at the Yunicon right now. It's a bit, how should I put it? A bit dead. You know, all my vlogs, they start an epic montage with music to present this convention. Yeah, let's go. Hello guys, we just ate something and now it's playing hentai music right now.
Shit happens, man.
It's now 4 p.m. It opened at 3 p.m. It's still kind of dead. I'm sitting here, slowly melting away. Yeah, most of the people are sitting here. I think we already saw everything. So this is the stage. There is the art alley behind the wall. And up there is the shop. Oh, something happens. It's a unicorn. Oh, something happens.
We stayed for an hour and then we left the convention. The next day of Yunicon, Saturday.
Good morning guys. Actually it's nearly 4 p.m. We arrived late today. Let's see if this convention is a bit livelier today.
So today we are also at the con. Now it's like filled. I think it's great. They're also great cosplayers, I have to say that. And yeah, we watched a workshop how to make sushi. I got fucking hungry. And yeah.
Later we went to the drawing room or meme room and we showed everyone our artistic side.
Hello guys, we are now here in the shops. Our drawings are now down there in the art alley, in the drawing room, in the meme room or the drawing room.
I drew a penis.
Yeah, she drew a penis with a dress. And I drew a guy. I don't know if it's a guy or a girl, maybe a trap. Yeah, I bought something. I give this to you. And you're holding the camera right too. Perfect. Okay. So I bought something very nice. Yay! I always wanted this little d.va mech pop figure. And yeah, let's open it.
It smells really bad.
Yeah. Can I just... Ooh! That's cute. That's like really cute. I'm a d.va main. I mean, this was 30 euros, but I mean, I'm a d.va main, I need this.
While my girlfriend has her time of her life, I'm gonna say goodbye and thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Sayonara und bis dann. Ciao.